If you think you need a massive backyard plot to grow your own food, you're missing out on the fastest harvests in modern gardening. Most gardeners spend months watering giant plants like standard tomatoes, waiting up to 90 days for a single payout that a single pest can ruin overnight. But what if you could turn small pots, windowsills, and balconies into immediate food producers? What if you could harvest fresh, organic vegetables in just 3 weeks using containers you already have lying around? Today, we are breaking down 8 lightning-fast crops perfectly engineered for small spaces, and the hidden mistakes that can slow them down. Most gardeners don't realize that a handful of specific varieties can go from seed to your dinner plate in under 30 days, completely bypassing the typical bugs and soil-borne diseases that ruin standard garden bed. Traditional gardening space is an illusion. You don't need an acre of land to experience a bountiful harvest. The real secret lies in matching the right fast-tracked crop with the right container setup, turning your small patio or porch into a highly efficient, high-yielding food engine. But while these crops are fast, skipping proper drainage or using the wrong soil will cause them to rot instantly. We will look at how to avoid these common container pitfalls, and if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal an unconventional watering method that can literally double your growth speed. And it all starts with a root vegetable that most people plant completely wrong. Number 1. Radishes, the instant gratification crop. Radishes are the undisputed speed champions of the vegetable world, often moving from seed to harvest in as little as 21 to 25 days. Varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast are specifically adapted to shallow containers. Because their root systems are incredibly compact, you don't need deep, heavy pots. A simple 6-inch deep window box is perfect for a massive yield. There is nothing quite like the sensory experience of pulling a crisp, vibrant red radish out of soft potting mix, offering an immediate win for beginner and seasoned gardeners alike. However, the real secret to sweet radishes instead of woody, spicy ones lies in consistent moisture and proper spacing. Most beginners scatter seeds too closely, which results in all green tops and no actual radish globes beneath the soil. To avoid this, space your seeds exactly 1 inch apart and thin them aggressively the moment green shoots appear to allow the roots to swell. Keep a close eye on your watering container. If the soil dries out completely even once, the radishes will become split, tough, and painfully spicy to eat. But with the right setup, you can secure a steady harvest in record time. In fact, you can challenge yourself to beat the 21-day mark by using a specific seed-soaking trick we will reveal later. But if you want leafy greens that keep giving back day after day, you need our next container superstar. Number 2. Baby spinach, the infinite kitchen scrap engine. Spinach is a weekly grocery store staple that gets incredibly expensive, but it is one of the easiest crops to cultivate continuously in medium-sized pots. This plant introduces the highly efficient cut-and-come-again harvest methodology, showing how a single pot can provide fresh salad greens for months on end. Instead of pulling the whole plant out by its roots, the real secret is to harvest only the outer leaves when they reach 3 inches long, leaving the center growing point fully intact to push out rapid new growth. Smooth leaf varieties like Space or Catalina handle container constraints beautifully. Experienced gardeners know that spinach thrives in cool spring weather and partial shade, making it absolutely perfect for urban balconies that don't get full, day-long sunlight. This immediately solves a major frustration for apartment growers whose spaces are blocked by neighboring buildings. However, one small detail can make a huge difference. Avoid the temptation to over-fertilize. Too much nitrogen causes bitter leaves and actively attracts colonies of destructive aphid. Furthermore, high heat will cause your spinach to bolt, meaning it will flower and turn bitter. If an unexpected hot spell hits, keep your pots deeply shaded. Later, we will explain a problem-solving loop to save a bolting plant before it is completely ruined. If you love that gourmet salad taste but want something with a peppery kick that grows even faster, look at this next plant. Number 3. Arugula or rocket, the low-maintenance gourmet. Arugula is a premium green that adds immediate culinary value to your kitchen, yet it grows almost like a weed. This plant is celebrated for its sheer resilience and rapid germination, with sprouts appearing in 48 hours and usable leaves ready in less than 30 days. Because it has an incredibly shallow root network, it can be grown in repurposed items like plastic takeout trays or shallow terracotta saucers. Arugula is the ultimate crop for the busy or forgetful gardener. It loves cool spring or fall air and will rapidly fill a container with lush, serrated leaves. The real transformation shows up in the flavor. Grocery store arugula is often wilted and bland, but homegrown leaves harvested seconds before eating deliver an intense, nutty flavor. But this is where the problem begins. Do not let the soil get waterlogged. Arugula hates soggy feet, so container aeration is critical. Additionally, flea beetles love these leaves. To prevent hidden damage, use a simple, lightweight floating row cover to protect the crop. If you don't have one, a simple spice from your kitchen cabinet can protect this plant from pests naturally, which we will explore in just a moment. Now, if you think containers mean you can only grow flat leaves, think again. This next vegetable brings massive crunch and height. Number 4. Bush sugar snap peas, the compact harvest machine. Many gardeners assume sweet peas require massive garden beds and towering fences, but dwarf bush varieties completely change the game. Varieties like Sugar and grow to only 2 feet tall while producing sweet, crisp pods in roughly 55 days. With the right setup, you can utilize a standard 5-gallon bucket or a deep decorative pot to create a highly productive vertical accent. The payoff comes from a beautiful visual transformation. Watching delicate white blossoms quickly turn into plump, edible peas adds immense emotional value, especially for families or older gardeners who enjoy the daily joy of scouting for pods. Even better, container-grown peas easily escape the intense soil-borne diseases that often plague traditional, in-ground vines. However, a small detail can make a huge difference. While these are bush varieties, they still need a small central stake or tomato cage. Without support, they can easily flop over and snap their stems under a heavy harvest weight. Furthermore, pea roots are extremely sensitive to disturbance. Never transplant them, but always sow the seeds directly into their final container. If you manage this correctly, you can unlock a secret technique for triggering a second wave of blossoms right when the first harvest finishes. Next up is a kitchen staple that you can actually grow for free using leftover scraps from your cooking. Number 5. Green onions or scallions, the self-renewing food source. Green onions are the ultimate budget-friendly container crop because they can be grown from cheap sets, seeds, or literally regenerated from grocery store leftovers. This plant offers incredible space efficiency, allowing you to pack dozens of individual plants into a single wide, shallow bowl. The real secret is the fascinating regrowth mechanics of how the white root base constantly pushes up new, green, hollow stems. By simply snipping the greens with scissors and watching them grow back completely within a single week, you gain an incredible sense of ultimate self-sufficiency. This feels like an amazing insider kitchen hack. Because of their compact footprint, scallions can sit directly on a kitchen windowsill, making them accessible to individuals without a patio or balcony. But this is where the mistake starts. Avoid using heavy, dense potting soil. Packed soil suffocates the delicate roots, leading to yellowing, weak growth, and tired plant. Scallions require excellent drainage. Standing water inside a windowsill saucer will cause the roots to turn mushy and rot. Always leave at least 1 inch of the white stem attached to the roots when harvesting to ensure rapid, healthy regrowth. Keep watching, because this specific crop also acts as a natural pest deterrent for the next vegetable on our list. Speaking of root crops that normally require deep soil, this next variety gives you sweet rewards in half the space. Number 6. Baby carrots, the golden treasure chest. Traditional long carrots are an absolute nightmare in heavy clay soil or shallow containers, but round and miniature varieties change everything. Varieties like Paris Market or Little Finger develop short, blocky roots that grow perfectly in pots just 8 inches deep. This section of your garden captures the magical suspense of root gardening, where the true prize remains completely hidden beneath the soil surface until the exact moment of harvest. Container growing allows you to curate the perfect, stone-free potting mix, ensuring perfectly straight, unforked carrots every single time, something in-ground gardeners constantly struggle with. In the right conditions, these container-grown carrots taste incredibly sweet because they can be harvested at peak tenderness. But here's where things change. You must manage the delicate germination window carefully. Most gardeners don't realize how easily the top layer of soil dries out during the notoriously slow germination phase. To solve this, cover your newly sown carrot seeds with a damp piece of cardboard or burlap to keep the surface uniformly moist for the first 10 days. Also, a word of warning: never use high nitrogen fertilizers here. If you do, you will end up with massive, beautiful green tops and tiny, hair-like carrot root. Our next vegetable is a global favorite, but we've found a special dwarf version that fits right on your patio table. Number 7, Tatsoi or baby bok choy, the cold-hardy shadow survivor. Tatsoi and baby bok choy are spectacular additions to the container garden, forming beautiful, spoon-shaped rosettes that look as decorative as flowers but taste absolutely incredible in a stir-fry. This crop focuses on extreme speed, maturing from seed to baby greens in just about 30 days. They are highly valued by experienced growers for their exceptional shade tolerance, requiring as little as 3 to 4 hours of dappled sunlight to produce thick, juicy stems. This makes them an absolute savior for north-facing balconies or heavily shaded patios where other vegetables would quickly wither. Furthermore, they feature incredible frost resistance, surviving heavy autumn dips that would instantly kill tender crops like basil or cucumbers, extending your harvesting season late into winter. With the right setup, you should plant them in wide bowls rather than deep pots to accommodate their flat, circular growth habit perfectly. However, keep a close eye out for cabbage worms and slugs, which are highly attracted to the juicy, low-slung leaves in moist container environments. Check the undersides of the leaves once a week for tiny green caterpillars. Catching that small detail can make the difference between struggle and success. Now that you know exactly what to grow, here is the secret routine that will double the speed of every single crop we just covered. Bonus expert tips section. Now, let's dive into the master container routine that ties this whole system together. Growing fast vegetables in small pots requires a completely different management strategy than traditional in-ground bed. To maximize your speed, you must focus on the 3 golden pillars of container success: substrate selection, moisture management, and nutrient scheduling. First, always use a lightweight, peat or coir-based potting mix amended with perlite for structural aeration. Experienced gardeners know that you should never use standard backyard garden clay in a container. It packs down like concrete and suffocates fast-moving root systems. Furthermore, we must bust a dangerous gardening myth. Putting gravel at the bottom of a pot does not improve drainage. In reality, it creates a perched water table that rots roots faster. Instead, rely on the simple knuckle test to check soil moisture before watering. Because frequent watering naturally leaches nutrients out of porous container walls, establish a gentle, organic fertilization routine. Applying liquid seaweed or fish emulsion at half strength every 2 weeks keeps your fast-growing crops performing at their absolute physiological limit without burning their delicate root. This small adjustment guarantees a steady harvest. Outro plan. Ultimately, a small space is not a limitation. It is an incredible opportunity for efficient, fast-paced food production. By choosing the right varieties and matching them with the correct container setups, you can outproduce a massive backyard plot with a fraction of the labor. Remember, the best time to plant a container garden was 3 weeks ago, but the second best time is today. I want to hear from you. Which of these rapid-fire crops are you going to plant on your balcony or windowsill first? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to unlock more low-maintenance, organic gardening breakthroughs that work with your lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Happy gardening!